I open the door to my little home office. The soft, golden light of the afternoon waits for me inside. It feels warm, peaceful, almost like a quiet hug. I hold a warm cup of tea in my hands. The steam rises slowly, and the smell is gentle and sweet. The room is calm, no loud sounds, only the soft hum of the world moving far away from me. I walk to my desk. The wood feels smooth under my fingertips. There is a candle beside my laptop, and its vanilla scent floats in the air. I place my tea on the table and take a slow breath. In this moment, everything feels safe. I smile a little and whisper to myself, "My desk is my sanctuary." This small space, this gentle light, this quiet afternoon, they make me feel ready. Ready to begin. Ready to breathe. Ready to simply be here.
I sit down and open my notebook. Suddenly, reality arrives. There is a long list inside. So many tasks, so many small things waiting for me. My chest feels tight for a moment. A little bit of anxiety appears, like a soft knot inside my ribs. Sometimes looking at a long list is scary. It feels heavy. It feels like too much. I close my eyes for a second. I breathe in slowly. I breathe out even slower. I remind myself it is okay to feel overwhelmed. It is normal. When I open my eyes again, the list is still there. But I am different. A little calmer. A little more grounded. I gently choose one task. Just one. A task that feels simple enough to start, but meaningful enough to matter. I put my finger on the line and say softly, "One thing at a time," and suddenly the list feels lighter. Not because it changed, but because my mindset changed. I pick up my pen and open my planner. The paper feels soft and the page is clean and ready. I write the date slowly. I write my chosen task below it. My handwriting moves calmly, not fast, not perfect, just steady. I turn on my laptop. The keys click in a soft rhythm, almost like a quiet song. My fingers move gently over the keyboard. For a moment, I only hear the sound of typing, the soft pages turning, the peaceful silence of a focused mind. I take my highlighter and mark the title of the task. The color looks beautiful in the golden light. As I begin working, something warm happens inside me. My thoughts become clear. The world becomes quiet. This is flow. This is what it feels like to be fully present. I am not in a hurry. I am not chasing perfection. I am simply here with my work. I tell myself, I work slowly, but I work steadily, and that is enough. More than enough. Because productivity is not about speed. It is about presence. After some time, I stop typing. My shoulders feel a little stiff, so I stretch my arms above my head. It feels good. My body says thank you. I stand up and walk to the window. The sky outside is soft and warm, painted with early sunset colors. Orange, pink, gold, all mixing in a quiet dance. I breathe the fresh air coming through the glass. The world looks slow and peaceful. And I realize something. Rest is not something extra. Rest is part of the process. I whisper gently. Rest is not a reward, it's a necessity. Taking a pause does not make me weak. It makes me human. It makes me better. It gives my mind the space it needs to grow. I close my eyes for a moment, just breathing, just existing. And when I open them again, I feel lighter. I walk back to my desk with a soft smile. The golden light is lower now, almost touching the evening. It feels like the day is gently saying goodbye. I look at my notebook. One task is complete. Just one. But it feels good. It feels enough. I close my planner slowly. I close my laptop with a soft click. My space becomes quiet again. The candle's flame dances softly, and the scent fills the room. The last rays of sunlight touch the wall, and I feel grateful. Today was calm. Today was productive. Today was good. And tomorrow is another chance. A new beginning. A new soft afternoon waiting for me. Before I leave the room, I turn to the camera and ask gently, how do you stay calm while working? Tell me in the comments. Then I walk away, leaving the golden light behind, letting the day rest as I do too.